Why is there so much hype around keto diet? This popular diet is praised by celebrities and athletes, and I'm sure you are seeing it on social media as much as I am. So let's go to the basics. In this video, we're going to talk about what keto diet is, different types of ketogenic diet, and how does it work. Hey guys, welcome back to Think Theory, and if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on health, lifestyle, and fitness. Let's first understand what keto diet is. The ketogenic diet is a very low-carb, high-fat diet. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat. This reduction in carbs puts your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. It lowers your body's sugar and insulin level and shifts the body metabolism away from the carbs and towards the fat and ketones. There are different versions of the ketogenic diet. First, standard ketogenic diet. This is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 70% fat, 20% protein, and only 10% carbs. Second, cyclic ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 ketogenic days followed by 2 high carb days. Third, targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to add carbs around workouts. And fourth, high ketogenic diet. This is similar to standard ketogenic diet but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbs. However, only the standard and the high protein ketogenic diet have been studied extensively. The information in this video mostly applies to the standard ketogenic diet. So let's look at how ketogenic diet can help you lose weight. Keto diet is an effective way to lose weight with low risk factors for diseases. Ketogenic diet is so filling that you can lose weight without counting calories or tracking food intake. If you're trying keto diet, base the majority of your meals around these foods. Meat such as red meat, steak, ham, sausages, bacon, chicken and turkey. Fatty fish, salmon, trout, tuna and mackerel. Eggs, butter and cream like grass butter and heavy cream. Unprocessed cheeses like cheddar, goat, cream or mozzarella. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, black seeds, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, etc. Healthy oils including extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil and avocado oil. Avocados, low-carb veggies like green veggies, tomatoes, onions, pepper, etc. And make sure to avoid carb-based foods such as grains, sugar, legumes, rice, potatoes, candies, juices, alcohol and even most fruits. It is also very important to moderate your protein consumption. This is because protein can be converted into glucose if consumed in a high amount, which may slow your transition into ketosis. In the description below, I will list a simple keto meal plan for 1 week. The ketogenic diet also has other health benefits, like it can cause significant reduction in blood sugar and insulin levels. It has also been shown to be effective for weight loss, type 2 diabetes, cancer, brain injuries, heart diseases, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and for managing childhood epilepsy. All that said, the ketogenic diet may not be suitable for everyone or sustainable for your lifestyle and preferences, and that's totally fine too. Staying on the keto diet in the long term may have some negative effects. Other people may not find such a restrictive diet sustainable either. We always recommend speaking with your doctor about your eating plan and goals to decide if keto is right for you. We hope that this video has helped you to answer some of your questions about keto diet and maybe we gave you some encouragement to try out this diet. If you still have any question, please leave it in the comment section and we will reach back to you with an answer. Thank you all so much for watching the video so far. Tell us in the comment section what other videos you want to watch in the future and share some of your tips and results of the keto diet with the community down in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video if it gives you any value, because it takes so much effort in making this video, and if you get any value from it, please subscribe to the channel and share the video. It really helps to support the channel, and I will see you in next one. Peace.